Welcome! Ready for a journey to Brazil, a land of sunshine, music, and endless surprises? It's a country so vast you could fit many nations inside it. Brazil is a living canvas, lush rainforests, blue coastlines, and vibrant cities. The energy here is contagious. Think carnival, football, and smiles everywhere. But Brazil is more than its famous parties and players. It's a feeling, a warmth, a taste of adventure. From the mighty Amazon to bustling city streets, the real magic is found off the beaten path. We're not just looking at pictures, we're stepping into them, meeting people, and discovering wonders. Get ready to explore hidden gems, taste new foods, and hear stories that bring Brazil's spirit to life. This isn't just a holiday, it's a chance to see the world differently and be inspired by nature and kindness. So grab your hat. Brazil's soul is waiting for us. Let's begin our unforgettable adventure. When most people think of Brazil, they picture Rio's Christ the Redeemer or the roaring Iguazu Falls. These icons are breathtaking, but Brazil's story goes far beyond the headlines. Beyond famous beaches, there are quiet coastlines and wild national parks. We're searching for the hidden gems, places most tourists never see. Imagine leaving the city behind, finding villages where time slows and traditions thrive. Here you connect with Brazil's true spirit, not as a tourist, but as a welcome guest. Think of Brazil as a delicious fruit. The famous spots are the skin, but we're after the sweet, juicy heart. We'll journey to wetlands, mountains, and dunes, uncovering secrets whispered by the wind and shared in local smiles. These are the memories that linger long after you return home. Our treasure hunt starts now. Let's peel back the layers and discover Brazil's hidden wonders. Ready to see what lies beyond the obvious? Let's go. Our first stop is Chapada Diamantina National Park, the Diamond Highlands. Once a land of diamond hunters, now it's a paradise of flat-top mountains, canyons, and waterfalls. Deep inside are the Poco Encantado and Poco Azul, underground pools so clear, sunlight turns them a magical blue. Local legends say ancient spirits protect these wells, and the water is said to heal. Floating in Poco Azul feels like drifting in a sapphire sky, pure peace and wonder. After exploring, visit Lençóis, a colorful town where you can try godo de banana, a hearty local stew. The people here are proud of their history and happy to share their stories. Chapada Diamantina is a true diamond. Its real treasure is the beauty of nature. Here, every step is an adventure, every view a masterpiece. Ready to dive into the magic? Let's move on. Next, we travel to Lençóis Maranhenses, a landscape like nowhere else. Imagine endless white sand dunes, soft as sugar, stretching to the horizon. After the rains, valleys between the dunes fill with crystal-clear lagoons, turning the desert into a sparkling oasis. Climb a dune, take in the view, then run down and dive into a warm blue lagoon. There are no roads here, just sand, water, and silence. Nearby fishing villages live in harmony with this surreal world. Local legends say the lagoons are the tears of ancient ancestors, adding mystery to the beauty. In the evenings, taste arroz de cuca, a unique rice dish, and watch the dunes glow pink and gold at sunset. The sky fills with stars and the world feels magical. Lençóis Maranhenses is a place of contrasts, desert and water, legend and reality. It's a wonder you'll never forget. Shall we explore the next hidden paradise? Let's go. Our journey takes us to Ilha Grande, an island once isolated by a prison, now a protected paradise. No cars, just jungle trails and boats. Wake to the sounds of monkeys and the scent of tropical flowers. Hike from the village of Abrao to Lopes Mendes Beach. White sand, blue waves, and hardly a crowd in sight. It's a private paradise for swimming, surfing, or simply relaxing. The island's waters are alive with colorful fish, sea turtles, and sometimes dolphins. Take a boat to hidden coves like Lagoa Azul, or snorkel among reefs. Local legends tell of pirates and hidden treasures, but the real treasure is untouched nature and peace. Ilha Grande is the perfect escape from modern life. Here you find adventure, beauty, and tranquility. Ready for one last wild place? Let's head inland. Our final hidden gem is the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. Each season transforms the landscape, creating a haven for wildlife. Unlike the dense Amazon, the Pantanal's open spaces make animal encounters easy and thrilling. Glide by boat or ride horseback to spot capybaras, giant otters, and dazzling birds like the hyacinth macaw. The Pantanal is famous for jaguars. Seeing one in the wild is unforgettable. Local guides or pantaneros know every inch of this land and share its secrets. Life here follows the rhythm of water and seasons, with rich traditions of music and food. After a day exploring, gather around a campfire for stories, songs, and a traditional churrasco barbecue. The Pantanal isn't just about wildlife, it's about experiencing a way of life deeply connected to nature. Here, every moment is a symphony of sights and sounds. Let's take one last look before we say goodbye. The adventure is almost over. Our journey through Brazil's hidden gems ends, but the memories stay with us. We've floated in enchanted wells, run down white dunes, relaxed on untouched beaches, and witnessed wild wonders. Each place revealed a piece of Brazil's vibrant heart. Brazil is a mosaic of cultures, landscapes, and warm, welcoming people. After visiting, you'll understand saudade, a longing to return. These adventures remind us to be curious, respectful, and open to the world's wonders. Travel gently, take only memories, and leave only footprints. Brazil's story is always unfolding, waiting for explorers like you. I hope you're inspired to dream, explore, and discover your own hidden gems. Until next time, cheerio.